Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Mutton Nihari. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to make it. Before starting the recipe, let's make Nihari masala. Take 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1.5 teaspoon split Bengal gram, 2 teaspoon poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorn and a small piece of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 6 Kashmiri red chilli, 4 cardamom, 1 mace and 1 star anise. Let's roast them without oil and let's grind them to a fine powder. Take 4 big onions and chop them to thin slices. Now let's keep a pan. Add 2 teaspoon ghee and 2 teaspoon oil. Now let's fry the onions until it turns brown in color. Wash the mutton well. Now let's add the mutton to the onions and fry the mutton along with the onions. When the mutton stock is released, you can add 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell is gone. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder to this recipe. Now let's add 2 teaspoon Nihari masala and required amount of salt. Mix all the ingredients together and fry them well for at least 5 minutes. After that, take 200 grams of beaten curd and add it to the mutton. Mix the curd well with the mutton and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and fry it for another 2 minutes. Add 2 cups of water for this mutton and let it cook for 15 minutes in a medium flame. After 15 minutes, let's open the lid. You'll get a very good aroma of mutton curry. Now let's separate the top layer of oil to a bowl. After separating to this mutton curry, I am going to add 3 teaspoon wheat flour by mixing little water in it. Add the wheat flour mixture to the curry and mix it well. By adding this wheat flour, it will enhance the richness of mutton curry. After that, let's garnish it with coriander leaves. Now our mutton nihari is ready. Let's plate it. Transfer the mutton curry to a bowl and let's garnish with the oil which we have separated. After that, let's add fried onions on top of the curry and chopped coriander leaves along with ginger juliennes. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.